Hello everyone, today I'm sharing a birthday card that I made for my pen pal. I wanted to create something funny, colourful and whimsical. If you'd like to see what I used and how it came together, then stay tuned. For the background, I've pulled out some inky backgrounds from my stash, some scraps as well. I've got quite a huge folder of these actually, and I thought it was about time I got round to using some or popping them in the bin. So this seems like quite a good card to go with. It'll make for a fun background for the images that I've chosen. I'm going to work with a DL card and I don't have any plan. I'll probably speed this bit up for you so you don't have to watch me procrastinating. That's my background done, and I've cut some images from this book which I think I picked up in the works. Just one more thing to do, and the moment I saw this dog's face, a certain song came into my head. I wonder if you'll know which song I'm talking about. And that's my card finished. So just with painty papers and some collage images and the sentiment. I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. I hope you're all singing that now and it'll be stuck in your head the rest of the day. Thank you so much for watching. Please do leave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you don't already. Until next time, cheerio.